Welcome back. So what I did was I unscrewed the screw a little bit, pulled up the cable just a little bit, and then I refastened the screw. So we are now ready to attach the cable into the cable lock. To do that, I flip open the lock and move this so you can see, and then put the cable in here under the lock, and there's two pins there that are holding the cable once we get there. There we go. Push it in a little bit. Now you can see the little pins to the right and to the left. So if you hold it down there now and flip down the lock, it should be good. Yeah, you hear this lock snaps into position when it's in the right position. To double check, you can try and lift a little bit here on the cable. If it comes off, obviously it's not fitted right. So that's good now. So the only thing remaining now is to attach the back side of the gear lever here, and that snaps in, so that's an easy job. So just position it the right way. Try to line it up here. There we go, and then just press it in, and it should snap in. There we go. Check it's okay there, and it's okay there. So with that the installation is complete, and you can check the result here. The start button also, and the gear lever. This gear lever is for X5 or X7, so it has the X logo. It's also available for the 3 Series with the 3 Series logo, and for the 8 Series with the 8 Series logo. And if you add the crystal multimedia controller knob, I have an assembly here, then you will have